Good morning, guys. In this video, we are exploring the old city of Chiang Mai. We are waiting for our road thing. That's like a tuk-tuk here in Chiang Mai, or like a bat bus.
See how it goes, and we'll see if the old town has something to offer that this area doesn't, which I'm sure will be the case. And let's see what happens.
Yeah, so join us there, guys. Let's go. So we're waiting for the driver now, and he's saying my car is 304377. Please don't get in the wrong car. Thank you.
That is a man who speaks from experience. Clearly.
Exactly. And here's our car. Hi. Yes. Make sure to experience the local transportation. This is the road thing that they're calling.
Yeah, in Thailand, they would call this like
Song Khao. Exactly.
Yeah, it's nice.
See you guys there.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away.
This is like a higher end Song Khao. You got the window here. You can actually close and open the window. Very clever.
Yep.
This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
Great ride.
I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts.
Right, we're here. This is like the market. Yeah. Thank you. So that's the road thing.
No, they don't accept credit cards when you're renting the local
That's
transport.
true,
Only
that's
taxis can do credit card.
Yes. So here we are. I don't know what is this, but it's a market.
Yeah, check it out.
Yeah, let's check it out. So there's a lot of things to see here in Old City. Actually, there's like a lot of temples. You can do temple hopping. You can go to the market and like buy some local foods. Buy street foods. They have this pork rind here. Oh my, that looks so good. Coffee.
Be free with me. Let's go, let's.
So now we are going to a public park. It's at Nong Buad Public Park.
That was fun.
Yeah.
Let's walk around some more. This is a great park.
Yeah, this is a nice park.
There's a monument over there we can check out. And all that.
Yeah.
Good.
I can see more people doing sports here. There is like actually you can use like some barbell there.
Oh wow.
Yeah. You'll see more people exercising
And look at this
and working
jogging
out
trail.
here.
You should show the jogging trail here because it's properly paved, nice, straight. This is perfect for just riding around the whole park uninterrupted.
Yeah.
This would be a great place to practice your jogging.
Yeah, it's a nice park. Seems like it's a nice place to chill.
Oh yeah.
You you can read your books here. Nobody will bother you. We see a lot of people like taking a nap here.
Yeah.
There's like two guys there taking a nap. Yeah.
They
So
don't look homeless.
Yep.
This is just purely recreational napping.
Exactly. It's a napping place. And yeah, they have some kids playground here as well. Yeah, there's things for everybody.
Something for everybody. Fun for the whole family. Come on
Yeah.
down to Chiang Mai.
Exactly. No wonder why people love keeping coming back here. Chiang Mai, like, you know, I know a vlogger. She's her name is Bianca G, and she keeps on coming back here in Chiang Mai. And yeah, I know a lot of people as well who lives here because of the, you know, like very chill vibes. You get to see the mountains and lakes. This place is amazing. Wow. Have a lot of clothes here.
I've noticed the clothes markets here are way cheaper than in Pattaya or Bangkok.
Yeah.
But here it's like 80 baht, like 60 baht even. Whereas in Pattaya it was like 100, 200 seems like the lowest you get anything
Yeah.
for.
But I think those are like second-hand clothes.
Maybe, yeah. Yeah, that's possible.
So we are at the city gate.
City gates.
Yeah, so this is the Chiang Mai gate.
There's a QR code there for tourist information also. I'll do it so we can see what's there. English. Oh, it links you to our YouTube video about it.
That's smart.
So,
It's in Thai though.
wow. Kind of reminds me of like European castles and stuff, you know, where they have these like these kinds of things. So
Yeah.
pretty cool.
Yeah, it's really nice. So in this area, you can actually like work here. You can, you know, join the tourist spot and work at the cafe shop or coffee shop. You have tons of coffee shop here actually. So I think that's nice. This is a nice hotel. Like look at the decoration.
I've noticed that in Chiang Mai here, a lot of these hotels have themes and the architecture reflects the theme. Like it's not just an ordinary like, oh, here's a apartment building or whatever with a bunch of rooms. It's like something interesting to see. So
Yeah, that looks so fancy.
look at this one over there too, the H Hotel.
The H Hotel.
That's like a really interesting choice of design, you know?
Yeah.
Like it's not just a normal building. Like, it's worth just walking around just to see what's around, honestly.
So this place is called Wat Mun Kong. It is one of the temples here, and it's just nice to see and look around the temples. Great cafe. There's a lot of people here. There's still people standing here waiting for
like
some
good
free
brunch food.
tables. Yeah,
Like brunch food. It's nice.
yeah, it's called Gravity. Oh yeah, seems like they have a lot of good foods. Big breakfast, boiled egg. Yep. So they have this 7/2. We'll try some desserts here, chill a little bit. Hi. Ooh.
For tea, coffee,
Yeah.
something to eat.
Want to look at some of the foods, maybe?
I'm
last
gonna get
page.
dessert.
Oh.
That looks pretty good.
For now we're out of this baguette bread.
Mm.
Chicken curry rice. This place looks cute.
So good.
Yeah.
This is really, really good.
Coconut cake. I have this strawberry sherbet. Is that how you pronounce it? Sherbet.
Sorbet.
Well, they
Sherbet?
pronounce
Sherbet?
they spell it like SHERBET.
Sherbet.
Sherbet. I don't know, whatever.
I don't know either, actually.
But it
And I'm
has
supposed to be a
IC.
native speaker, and I don't know.
It's amazing. Supposed to be with soda, lemon, strawberry soda. Here we are. We get our khao soy. Thank you. Let's try this.
And then we got some vegetables.
I haven't tried mine yet. So much fish.
So you don't find this dish in Pattaya because this is up northern, I think, but isn't it?
They're saying you can find it anywhere, but this is the best
Version of it, yeah.
version. Got chicken in here, 3 pieces of chicken. Then this fried noodle. This, I think this is pork rind, and we have this udon. Is this udon? Pasta, a noodle. Okay, let's try it. Oh yeah.
All of that total for all 3 of us
That's 3 khao soys and drinks.
and drinks.
How much?
220 baht.
Wow.
That's like $6.
It's like $6.
Amazing
Oh my
value.
gosh,
Amazing
and
value.
that was so good. Wow.
$2 per person. $2 per person.
Only in Thailand. Okay guys, we are done exploring the old city of Chiang Mai. That was really nice to see a lot of things here. And I'll see you guys later.
We got elephant pants and shirts. Very
That's
exciting
crazy.
later.
Alright, we are on the way back to our hotel. We got a tuk-tuk.
And we're gonna drop everything off, get ready for the
Loikathon.
Brunei Festival.
Yes. Woo.
Right, very exciting.
Woo.
You got me feeling kinda crazy. You got me feeling like my head is spinning round. The way you look is so amazing, amazing. I could stare into your eyes for hours and hours. Everything is kinda hazy. We're just dancing in the dark in the flashing lights. I know you can't hear what I'm saying.